Hi guys, hey, ain't no mommy high enough here and we're going to see Five Nights at Freddy's. Y'all know we had to stop and get some munchies before the movie. I wanted Chick-fil-A and Elishah wanted Chinese Gourmet Express. I placed the pickup order using Chick-fil-A's app. My order was ready super fast. She said it was her pleasure, but believe me, the pleasure is all mine. The movie was showing in Auditorium 3 and we had the entire auditorium to ourselves. It was so freaking cool. It took a little finagling, but we were able to bring our Chick-fil-A and Chinese food into the movie. The manager really didn't mind since we had the whole auditorium to ourselves. It was so fun watching the new movie, eating Chick-fil-A and Chinese food with my son. And the movie was super creepy. We had so much fun, y'all, and one of my son's favorite gamers was even in the movie, Corey Kenshin. Thank you guys so much for joining us for another Ain't No Mommy High Enough adventure. We'll catch you on the next one. Stay high and stay happy.